Bling! Huh?
Hi folks! Welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cup of tea. So it's a little bit windy here outside my window, so if you hear the wind howling, I apologize, but hopefully it's not too loud. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing our cup of tea. I'm gonna draw my cup of tea down here. I'm gonna save room up top so we can draw some steam, because it's gonna be a hot cup of tea. So first things first, I'm gonna draw an oval, and it's gonna kind of be like a squat oval. Okay, so this is actually gonna be the inside of the cup. Okay, just like that. Now, I'm going to do a line like that. Okay, so this is actually going to be the tea inside the cup, and here's a little bit of the cup. Okay, so now I'm going to line that rim of the cup, and we're going to come on down and start to round out. Other side, and do the same thing, starting to round out. So then we can connect those lines, but don't do a straight line, give it a little tiny bit of a curve. Okay, now I want to give our cup of tea a handle. So I'm going to, you can do either side, but I'm going to go on this side and make a line like that. It's almost like half a heart. Okay, now on the inside of that, I'm going to do the same thing. So now we got our handle for our cup. Now I'm going to put our cup of tea on a little plate, like a little saucer plate. So starting from the side, we're going to give a round line and curve in like that. Okay, so now we're going to do a little line like that, went all the way like that to help give it its shape. And now I'm going to do the very bottom of the cup. It's going to be just a little line curving into the side there and up there. Okay, now I'm going to do our steam lines, because this is going to be a real hot cup of tea. So I'm going to do some swirly steam. It's too hot to drink this tea yet. You gotta let it cool off. So your steam can be going all over the place. I like to make it all swirly. I think it makes it look extra pretty. Okay, and our cup of tea is going to be resting on the table, so we can draw a line, have it sitting on our table. Alright, so now I'm going to color it in. So let's see, I've got all kinds of different colors here. Now you don't have to follow the exact colors I'm using. Feel free to use whatever colors you want. I'm coloring my tea fairly lightly because I like to put a nice bit of milk in my tea, so my tea usually looks pretty light. And I'm going to make the cup a nice light gray. But maybe you have a favorite mug that is a different color. Maybe you have a purple mug, a pink mug. All up to you, whatever colors you want to use. Okay, and now I'm going to do the little bottom part here. Okay, and I'm going to color the little plate the exact same color. So maybe the plate and the mug are from the same set of dishes. All right, and I'm going to put a little bit of darker color here in our tea. Add a little bit of interest here for our color. Nothing too obvious. And I'm going to take a darker gray and color the inside here of our teacup. And add a little bit here on the side and here. And here on the bottom. And here where it would be sitting. I'm going to add a little bit of shadow where it would be sitting here on this plate. And I'm going to give our steamy color, our steamy lines, a little bit of gray. And we're almost done. Our swirly, steamy lines. Okay, and now I'm going to put a bit of color on the table. Okay, and if you want, you can take a darker color and kind of add a little bit of shadow underneath where our little plate is sitting. It's going to be a little bit darker, but you don't have to do this. All right, everyone, so I am done drawing the picture of our cup of tea. So let me know what you thought, and feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see drawn for the next Daily Doodle. So everybody, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It really helps the channel, and I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody!